How to pick a diet plan to lose my weight healthy tutorial. There are many different types of diets, from crash diets like liquid diets to more healthy balanced diets and many in between. The most important factor when selecting a diet is that you make sure that it works for you, that it fits your daily lifestyle and that it provides as close as possible the type of foods and snacks you can live with for the duration of the diet. I've heard the expression anybody that follows a diet and exercises loses weight, which is probably true. However, the key is precisely on following one that you and only you can stay on, according to your daily routine, eating habits and convenience. Options available. As mentioned before, there is a myriad of diets out there. What you may not know is that there are as well very good tools on the internet that will make it easier for you to narrow down your choices. These mostly online tools will provide you with the capability to answer questions about your personal preferences, your objectives, food choices and several other particular diet features you may be looking for. Some of these tools are offered by the makers of some diets themselves, but your choices will ultimately be limited to their own offerings. I recommend to utilize one that can provide results across many diets from many different companies, so the results are not linked to predetermined choices. Fast diets. A very popular choice for dieters is to follow fast or crash diets, and an important factor to consider when following these types of diets is to have clear in your mind that these are only temporary tools. Fast diets can be very beneficial by providing dieters with motivation by experiencing fast results. However, statistics show that most people gain all the weight back and more after following a fast diet. To obtain the maximum benefit of a fast diet, consider following one only as a step towards a more sustained and balanced eating regime. Healthy diets and a healthy lifestyle. You must realize that at some point you will be off a given diet, and if from that point forward you make the same choices that got you overweight in the first place, all the weight lost will come back. An important factor on selecting a healthy and more balanced diet is to think on them as learning tools. Many diets today offer the capability of switching meals from week to week or even daily. In this way you can try different foods to see which ones you really like and could make part of your daily eating once you're off the diet. Many will also provide advice as to how to gradually return to an eating regime that won't cause weight loss but that will allow you to maintain your body weight. Online diets. In the area of dieting, the internet has been a blessing. Today many companies provide the capability to join or purchase affordable diets online that include additional important capabilities like the ability to make your own meal menus from multiple food choices, the ability to socially seek support and advice from other dieters through the use of forums, chats and other tools. Tons of information about diet and exercise advice all the way to professional one-on-one support. The 4-week diet system provides all those things. Emotional eating. One issue that commonly gets overlooked by dieters and by most commercial diet companies for that matter is the issue of emotional eating. Emotional eating means that we eat for emotional reasons. We eat when we are happy, we eat when we are sad, stressed, etc. These emotional factors can derail your efforts, making you cheat or completely abandon a diet or healthy eating. Look for information and advice on this topic. Make sure that you understand the causes and emotions that make you eat and that you learn practical ways to deal with them in a more healthy way. I recommend you check out the 4-week diet system today. For more information, click the link below this video in the description box.